What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Audi Q7 remote key fob. This Audi Q7 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do is grab the key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now what I'm going to do is hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and if we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the notch right here that this emergency key just slid out of. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my key and I'm going to push it in that notch, but I'm going to come in at an angle like this. You don't want to go straight in. If you can see, I'm kind of angled off to this side. And then I'm going to push it in, and as I do that, it's going to pop up on this little cover right here. So I'm going to come in and push up, and if you can see there, it's pushing that cover up just a little bit. Now I'm just going to get my fingernail on it like this and pry up. If you're unable to do that, you can also use a flathead screwdriver to help you pry that up. But when we're pushing the key in there, we're just pushing on this little notch right here. So come in at an angle, pull that back cover off in the way I just did, and then we can see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm just going to get my finger on the battery and get it out of there. If you're unable to do that with your finger, you can also use a key or a screwdriver if you're using that. Anyway, once we get that battery out of there, we can grab our new replacement battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing our new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then I'm going to grab my back cover, and if you see on this back cover, there's these two tabs on the top. I'm going to start those two tabs in first, slide those up, and then snap that cover down, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.